Are you looking for the perfect way to relax and pamper your feet at home? I'm Rebecca with WTI, and let me tell you how this collapsible foot spa from Ranjova was exactly what my feet needed. It has completely transformed my at-home relaxation routine and made me realize just how important self-care really is. It comes with two control options, a touchscreen and a remote, making it super easy to switch between temperature levels, bubbles, and the motorized massage balls. The temperature control lets you set water from warm to hot and keeps it there automatically, so you don't have to keep adjusting it. The water bubbles had a soothing touch, and the 6 timer settings make it so easy to customize your session. It comes with a lid, so after I'm done using it, it folds down perfectly, making storage super easy, so no bulky spa equipment taking over my bathroom. Plus, there's a carrying handle, which makes it so simple to lift and pull, and there's also a drain hole, which makes draining the water so fast and effortless. It also comes with a detachable footstone that's comfortable to grip and simple to use, which helps gently exfoliate and remove dead skin. So if you're on your feet all day or just want a little home spa experience, well, this foot spa is exactly what you need. And that's my point of view.